experimented with lots of different kinds of paints in my acrylic pours, and to be honest, you can get really great results with most of them. You will get better results with a finer quality artist grade paint as opposed to a craft paint, of course. I found that my favorite paints are actually a line from Hobby Lobby called Master's Touch. These are acrylic paints that come in the most awesome colors. Look at these guys. Their metallics are amazing. They hold up really well in acrylic pours. I also use them for just acrylic abstract paintings. I just love the hues, and the quality is amazing. And every couple of weeks they go on sale for 50% off. This is about $10 for this big one, and you can get it for $5. So I buy lots of my paint from Hobby Lobby, Master's Touch. I also pretty regularly use Liquitex and Artist Loft paints, as well as these Deco Art metallics, because I love to throw in some cool shades of metallics as well. There you have it. I'm Anna. This is Acrylic Pouring Academy. Quick answers to all your fluid art questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like more tips and tricks on fluid art, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video.